Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'll be showing you how to cook the goat stew recipe. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe the video for me if you're new to the channel. Now I'm going to add meat into a pan. Goat meat is a source of protein. Add 1 cup of water. The stew food is a good, comforting meal. Add salt for taste and mix. Then you stir and bring to boil until goat meat is tender for 20 to 30 minutes. Goat has its own flavor. Check if the meat is ready. Mix and allow the meat to cook tender. We want meat here to taste so good. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil of your choice in a pan over medium high heat, and then there I have added in my 2 seasoning cubes for chicken and beef. There I'm just going to fry and add in my onion and garlic. Then I fry everything combined all together. Then I'm gonna add in my half a tomato, or you can use tomato paste for this. Then I fry. The vegetables have to be brownish, then they'll be fine. I then add in my kale or chomolia or morojo in, then gently stir. The meat to be gravy, I'm going to add in some goat stock, or you can use water, then mix everything. Bring the mixture to simmer a bit and cover. Allow to cook slightly about 5 minutes and it will be ready to be served. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and there is the final output.